Hello JE aspirants, welcome back to Cutoff 360. So from the title and the image displayed on the screen, you can easily recognize that in this video we'll be discussing in detail about whether JE session 2 will be as tough as session 1, as everyone is aware that the session 1 was out of nowhere, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट आया था. किसी को ऐसा नहीं लगा था कि केमिस्ट्री इतना डिफ़िकल्ट होगा in most of the shifts. Most of the people who appeared for the session 1 exam thought that the pattern will be same, like physics will be easy to moderate, chemistry will be moderate, and maths will be difficult, which this was the pattern which was being followed from past 2 years. But this year NTA has changed the whole game, जहाँ पे सेशन 1 में केमिस्ट्री बहुत सारे शिफ्ट में बहुत डिफिकल्ट था एंड अनएक्सपेक्टेड था. पीपल डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट इट टू बी दैट डिफिकल्ट. सम पीपल हैव सेड दैट इट वाज मॉडरेट एंड डूएबल, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल फेल्ट दैट द केमिस्ट्री वाज डिफिकल्ट इन सेशन 1. तो सबके माइंड में अभी ये क्वेश्चन है कि जैसा सेशन 1 टफ था ओवरऑल इंक्लूडिंग मैथ्स, क्या सेशन 2 भी वैसा ही डिफिकल्ट और टफ होगा? So in this video, we'll be answering your question. Also, we'll be giving you an analysis of 10 different top coaching institutes so that you get a clear picture of session 2 and prepare yourself accordingly so that on the exam day you don't get shocked by seeing the paper. So guys, let's start with understanding how was the difficulty level of session 1. Most of you might be aware that the session 1 was completely disastrous. Like whoever got top scoring marks, not talking about that, but we have got multiple reviews of student and सबने यही कहा कि session 1 was unexpected and it was difficult. So overall we are still considering it as moderate, not difficult, but as per the most of the students it was moderate to difficult. Math was the lengthiest and toughest, as we know. Physics was conceptual, but it was doable. In most of the shift, leaving the last one, physics was easier compared to both maths and chemistry. And not to mention, chemistry was out of moon wala thing, where the whole part was almost difficult because most of the student expected somewhat doable type of questions, but it didn't come as per the expectations, and the questions were also lengthy. It was taking time to solve it. So overall, chemistry was difficult, and the biggest challenge that most of the students faced was time management, as usual based on the previous year's trend. So सेशन 2 का क्या हाल होने वाला है ये हम लोग इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे फ्रॉम बाई like understanding what different coaching institute are saying, and we'll be giving a detailed review on it. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video to understand the what other coaching institute are saying for the session 2 exam. So before we proceed with understanding how will be the difficulty level of session 2 in 2026, let's understand the previous year's data. जब तक हम लोग पिछले साल या मतलब पास्ट 3 years डेटा को कंपेयर करके नहीं देखेंगे तब तक हमें समझ नहीं आया कि एक्चुअल what can be the expected difficulty level of 2026. So the pattern is quite clear. In 2023 and 2025, session 2 was noticeably tougher than session 1. In 2024, both sessions were roughly comparably in difficult, whereas in 2026 session 1, the shift of different days were actually difficult compared to previous years, and in that the chemistry was surprise out of. So does this tell us about 2026? Based on previous year's trend, session 2 is expected to be slightly tougher, especially in mathematics. So we can't say that it will be actually more difficult than session 1, but हम लोग सेशन 1 के लेवल का डिफ़िकल्टी 100% एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं इन सेशन 2. केमिस्ट्री इज प्रिडिक्टेड टू बी सेम as of session 1, and question will be NCERT based. So be prepared. Don't let yourself fall into a position where session 1 students were thinking that chemistry will be easy, but eventually it turned out to be difficult. So make sure yourself prepared in a way where अगर chemistry tough आता भी है तो you are in a position to answer all the questions. And physics is a wild card. It could stay moderate. कुछ शिफ्ट में वो डिफ़िकल्ट हो सकता है, कुछ शिफ्ट में बहुत ही ज़्यादा इजी हो सकता है. तो वी कैन से दैट कि न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड रहेगा. बी कॉन्फिडेंट विद द numericals and the concept, and you can answer the physics section. So based on previous year's trends also, we can say that it will be difficult, session 2 will be difficult, or it will be similar to session 1, but you can't expect that it will be uh, less tougher compared to session 1. So after analyzing what coaching institute have to say about the session 2 expectation along with the session 1 difficulty level, we have come up with a particular logic on what can be the difficulty level of session 2 that most of the students can expect. And it is recommended to watch the video till the end. Also, if you have not subscribed the channel, then make sure to do so to get more updates on various JE along with the other engineering exam trends. So first is physics. So physics can be expected between moderate to moderately hard. Physics in session 1 was moderate, in few shifts it was easy also, but session 2 historically gets more conceptual. NTA tend to increase theory based and assertion reason type question in the April attempt. So if you are appearing in the second session 2 exam, then make sure that you are thorough with the theory based questions along with the assertion reason type questions, so that whenever if these kind of question pops up in session 2 exam, you are confident and able to answer it very quickly. And what to expect in the session 2 physics: so more experiment based question and statement type questions, conceptual and theory questions alongside numerical. So this is completely based on the previous year data. So if you are ignoring these facts, make sure you don't. ये सारे फैक्ट्स हम लोगों ने बहुत मल्टीपल कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट को लिसन करके देन फैक्ट्स को प्रिपेयर किया है. सो मेक श्योर टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट विथ व्हाट इज मेंशन्ड इन दिस वीडियो. Next, most important chapter to revise right now is electrostatics and current electricity, magnetism and electromagnetic induction. In modern physics, it is photoelectric effect, and nuclear physics and optics में both ray and wave. One of the key advice that right now I can give it to you is do not practice numericals in physics. Most of the people are become dependent completely on the numericals and ignore the theory part. But as you know, in session 1 एनटीए ने प्ले आउट कर दिया केमिस्ट्री को लेके, एंड वहाँ पे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस डिफ़िकल्ट आ गए थे. तो नाउ इज़ द टाइम जहाँ पे हमें 360 डिग्री का प्रिपरेशन करना पड़ेगा कि इफ़ समथिंग पॉप्स अप, अनवांटेड थिंग पॉप्स अप, यू आर एबल टू आंसर. लास्ट इन सेशन 1 केमिस्ट्री डिफ़िकल्ट था, जहाँ पे लोग सोच रहे थे कि केमिस्ट्री इजी आने वाला है. चांसेस हो सकता है कि फिजिक्स भी डिफ़िकल्ट आ जाए इन सेशन 2. सो न्यूमेरिकल से तो आज तक का ट्रेंड रहा है कि न्यूमेरिकल डायरेक्ट रहते हैं, तो यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट विद द न्यूमेरिकल्स, बट डोंट इग्नोर द थियरी पार्ट. Go back to the NCERT derivation example. Conceptual clarity will separate you from the crowd. Remember that conceptual clarity will separate you from the crowd. So don't miss out the theory part of physics. So next is chemistry. So currently, as per the session 1 trend, we are keeping it as moderate to difficult, but as per the, if we go by previous year trends, then we can expect it as moderate. Chemistry can be your safest section in session 2 as per the previous year trends, but be prepared with session 1, which means session 1 में जो भी type के questions हमें पूछे गए थे, we have to ensure that we are thorough with those kind of questions as well, so that out of blue moon में ऐसा ना हो कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाए एंड आप आंसर ना कर पाए. In session 1 you had a chance to apply for session 2, but in session 2 you will not have another chance, and you have to sit for another year and prepare for the JEE exam. So if you don't want that to happen, then make sure that आपने सेशन 1 के सारे क्वेश्चंस एंड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस को अच्छे से थॉरोली चेक किया है, सो दैट इवन दो वैसा टाइप का क्वेश्चन आता है, यू आर इन अ पोजिशन टू आंसर. पैटर्न हमारा हमेशा मतलब केमिस्ट्री का इन पास्ट 4 ईयर्स 3 ईयर्स से कंसिस्टेंट रहा है, बट ये सेशन 1 में चेंज हुआ है, एंड वी आर होपिंग दैट केमिस्ट्री इस बार इजी ही हो सेशन 2 में, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द people and experts along with the students were shocked with the NTA decision of keeping chemistry as difficult. if we leave the session one, then NCERT rooted रहता है and complete sorry chemistry rooted रहता है and completely NCERT based रहता है. When it comes to which area you should focus on, then it's organic chemistry में named reaction mechanism, biomolecules, coordinate chemistry में nomenclature, isomerism, crystal field theory, physical chemistry में equilibrium, electrochemistry and thermodynamics, inorganic chemistry में NCERT tables, reaction and properties. Again NCERT में थोड़ो हमें रहना है फॉर केमिस्ट्री एंड सेशन वन का क्वेश्चन को हमें रिवाइज करना है सो दैट हम ओवरऑल 360 डिग्री प्रिपेयर्ड हो फॉर केमिस्ट्री दिस टाइम. Last but not the least is mathematics. So, well, I don't have to discuss much about mathematics as everyone knows how the maths will be in session 2. So, it will be moderate to hard. Let me be direct. Mathematics is where JEE rank will be made or broken in session 2 in the upcoming exam. If you are falling in the right shift, then there is a chance that you might score good. And overall, मल्टीपल शिफ्ट में हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि मैथ्स इस बार बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं हो बट एक मॉडरेट लाइफ टाइप का क्वेश्चन पेपर हो. Historically, April mathematics is tougher than January, so this question are longer, require multiple step thinking and demand strong time management. So when it comes to which chapters you should focus on calculus, limit, derivative, integration, differential equation, 3D geometry and vector में हमें थोड़ो होना है. Probability and statistic हमें आना चाहिए अच्छे से. Matrices and determinants we have to be very thorough. Conic section में parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. In mathematics, speed and accuracy both matters equally, so make sure that you are thorough with session 1 question type along with the previous year's questions. And the remaining days, take as many time mock test as you can and make sure that in mock test you are scoring well in both chemistry and mathematics so that आपका session 2 का exam best हो. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video and the data presented, then make sure to like and subscribe channel as we will be providing more such videos on JEE. Also, if you wish us to create a specific video on any college cutoff, then make sure to comment down the same in the comment section and our team will be creating a new video for the same. Thank you.